Today, let's talk about the Igbo charm Akala Ogoli, a charm that wards off evil spirits. Burning palm flower or Akala Ogoli. In Igbo terms, Akala means sign or mark, while Ogoli means evil or tricky spirits. In Igbo and some other neighboring cultures, people who had a bad death sometimes refer to onwike or bad death, execution for a crime or through mysterious illness, parents given proper burial, and their bodies were thrown into the evil forest. In such cases, the person's spirit will not make it through the Igbo cyclical nature of life, that is reincarnation. So in this case, the individual is believed to have left the earth, often becoming a violent spirit who often cause nuisance such as making items at homes miss, frightening people or distressing relatives, or waking people up at night. In Igbo cosmology, such spirits often dislike earth or soil. Throwing earth on such a spirit is said to ward them off. This is why people bury Akala Ogoli in their compound. Tell me if you have Akala Ogoli in your compound today.